But I'm the product manager for DeepStream. I've been with NVIDIA 10 years, started in the automotive team, and now switching to the Metropolis side. And I'm very excited to see a lot of similarities that we saw on the self-driving momentum, where everything is becoming self-defined platforms. I'm here to talk about it here. I think software-defined platforms are here to eat the world, and AI is writing software. So you can see the analogy there. AI at the edge is becoming a big momentum, and with our Jetson platform, we're getting a lot of traction. Our latest device, Orin, that delivers 275 TOPS at the edge, are really opening new options and new use cases that were not possible before, because you couldn't stream the data to the cloud because you were too far away, was too expensive, or bringing a server to the edge was not a feasible option. You can imagine agriculture, medical situations and whatnot, where something like 275 TOPS really opens new possibilities. And to do that, you really need a software-defined platform. But here, the platform is for you to develop your applications. We're not giving you an iPhone or a Tesla car that is a software-defined vehicle, but a software-defined environment where you can use all these building blocks to create your applications. Those could be artificial intelligence, of course, computer vision, object tracking, depth estimation, and whatnot. And to really bring these products to market, you need a rich ecosystem that helps you bring this to market. This could be sensors. We have a lot of our partners in this event, with cameras, LiDAR, you name it. Full computers that you can use into your product that are appliances ready to be deployed. It's not a development kit. AI frameworks, robotics software simulations, and even synthetic data generation. So let me go through a little bit of a rabbit hole so you see the entire picture. And we will hopefully connect this to the previous talk where you build your application, how easy it is to develop these applications with DeepStream and Tau.